Welcome dear students. In last lecture we completed first question from the practice set 4.3. Today we have to continue the second question. See dear student, question number second. 15a square plus 4b square upon 15a square minus 4b square is equal to 47 upon 7. This ratio is given. These two ratios are equal. Then what we have to do? We have to find out the values of all these four ratios. First ratio is a upon b. Second, 7a minus 3b, 7a plus 3b. Third one, b square minus 2a square upon b square plus 2a square. And the last ratio is a cube minus 2a cube upon b cube plus 2a cube. See dear student, b cube minus 2a cube upon b cube plus 2a cube. In the first sum, the ratio of a upon b is equal to another ratio that was given. But dear student, here we have to find out the ratio of a upon b. In the previous sum, ratio of a upon b was given. But here dear students, these two ratios are equal and we have to find out the ratio a upon b first of all. So dear students, see, for finding out this ratio, what we have to do? First of all, given ratio we have to write as it is 15a square plus 4b square upon 15a square minus 4b square equal to 47 upon 7. Now observe this carefully. Dear student, here we have to, from this, we have to find out the value of a upon b. Therefore, dear student, observe this ratio. In this ratio, which property is used? That we have to find out. See dear student, phi a square, here also phi a square, plus here it is minus b, 4b square, here 4b square. That means in this case, componendo dividendo process is there. Therefore, for finding out the value of a upon b, we have to apply again componendo dividendo. Therefore, dear student, we have to write here by componendo dividendo. Now, how to apply? See here, we have to write here 15a square plus 4b square as it is. In this, we have to add this 15a square minus 4b square. Therefore, we write 15a square minus 4b square upon. Same we have to write. We have to change only the sign here. It is 15a square plus 4b square minus 15a square minus 4b square is equal to. Dear student, here this 15a square plus 4b square, 15a square minus 4b square, and here we apply componendo dividendo. Therefore, here also we have to apply componendo dividendo. Now see dear student, 47 upon 7, we have to write 47 plus 7 upon 47 minus 7. Now see dear student, we have to do the addition of these two. For that purpose, what we have to write here, 15a square plus this 15a square. That means we have to take the similar term together. Then plus 4b square and this minus 4b square. Now dear student, see the 15a square. Now this 15a square, it will be a plus and that will now become the minus. Therefore, we write here minus 15a square plus 4b square and this minus 4b square, because of this minus sign, this minus 4b square will become plus 4b square is equal to 54 upon 40. 47 plus 7 it is 54 and 47 minus 7 it is 40. Now dear student, do the 15a square plus 15a square, it is 30a square plus 4b square minus 4b square get cancelled, and 15a square minus 15a square, this is plus and this is minus, it is 0, and plus 4b square, it is 8b square is equal to 54 upon 40. Now dear student, we require a upon b. First of all, our aim is we have to find out the ratio a upon b. For that purpose, see now dear student, this 13 upon 8, that we have to shift on that side. Now see dear student, therefore here it will become a square upon b square is equal to this 54 upon 40 into this 30 upon 8. We have to shift on that side, therefore it will become 8 upon 30. Now dear student, we have to simplify this. It is, therefore we write here a square upon b square is equal to this 8 ones and 8 fives. Therefore here 5 are remaining. Then see dear student, here 6 fives and 6 nines. We can simplify this like this. It is 6 fives and 6 nines 54, and 8 ones and 8 fives 40. Now see dear student, 9 into 1 it is 9, and dear student 5 into 5 it is 25. We did not have to write like this. For your understanding I have written that. Now see here it is 9 upon 25. Now dear student, we get here a square upon b square is equal to 9 upon 25. Now what we have to find out? We have to take out the square root of both sides. Because dear student, it is a square. Square root of a square is a, square root of b square is b, is equal to square root of 9 is 3 and square root of 25 is 5. Therefore our final answer a upon b is 3 upon 5. This is we required. We got the ratio a upon b is equal to 3 upon 5. Dear students, see, it is very simple. Now we got here a upon b is equal to 3 upon 5. Then we can easily find out the ratios of this, all these values of these ratios. Got it? Now dear students, see, here componendo dividendo process is already there. Therefore that process we applied again on both the sides. Remember, on both the side, this side also, and for this ratio also, 47 upon 7, 47 plus 7 and 47 minus 7, and we will get the value of a upon b, that is the ratio a upon b is equal to 3 upon 5. Now dear student, by using this we have to find out this. Got it? Now see dear student, we have to find out the value of 7a minus 3b upon 7a plus 3b. As I have told you in a first video, that if we have to find out, see here, 7a minus 3b and 7a plus 3b. We learn about the properties of equal ratios. In that, see dear students, 7a minus 3b and 7a plus 3b. Such type of a process is not there. It is, if it is like this, then we say that 7a plus 3b upon 7a minus 3b. Now, can anyone tell me which property is used here? It is componendo dividendo. That means, for getting the value of this, first of all, if we find out the value of this, that is 7a plus 3b upon 7a minus 3b, and then after getting the value of this, then we can make the invertendo and we will get the value of this. Therefore, dear student, for getting this, first of all, we have to find out the ratio 7a plus 3b upon 7a minus 3b. Dear student, for getting this, on which ratio we have to apply componendo dividendo? It is very easy, this 7a upon 3b. That means, if we get 7a upon 3b, we have to apply componendo dividendo, we will get this, and by inverting this, we will get the final answer. Dear student, now just now we find out a upon b is equal to 3 upon 5. Therefore, A upon B is equal to 3 upon 5. We know this. Now dear student, for getting this, what we have to do? We have to multiply this ratio by 7 upon 3. Therefore, by multiplying 7 upon 3 on both sides. See here, 7 upon 3 into A upon B is equal to 7 upon 3 into 3 upon 5. Now do the multiplication. It is 7A upon 3B is equal to, see dear student, we can simplify this. This 3 and 3 get cancelled. It is 7 upon 5. Now dear student, this we got 7A upon 3B, but we required 7A plus 3B upon 7A minus 3B. That means for getting this, which property we have to apply? Yes, dear student, it is correct. It is componendo dividendo. Therefore, we can write here by componendo dividendo. Now see here, 7A plus 3B upon 7A minus 3B is equal to 7 plus 5 and 7 minus 5. Isn't it? We have to apply componendo dividendo on both the ratios. Therefore, 7A plus 3B, 7A minus 3B is equal to 7 plus 5 and 7 minus 5. Now dear student, see here, do the 7A plus 3B upon 7A minus 3B is equal to 7 plus 5, it is 12, and 7 minus 5, it is 2. Therefore, dear student, we got here 7A plus 3B upon 7A minus 3B is equal to 6 upon 1. Isn't it? Now, dear student, see. We got here 7A plus 3B upon 7A minus 3B is equal to 6 upon 1. But our requirement is 7A minus 3B. Then, for getting this, we have to write here by invertendo. But we have to apply the invertendo. Then 7A plus 3B will get here and 7A minus 3B. Therefore 7A minus 3B upon 7A plus 3B is equal to 1 upon 6. This is the ratio of 7A minus 3B upon 7A plus 3B. Dear student, I don't think anyone have any doubt because it is very easy. Now see the ratio, second value we got here. For the second, it is 1 upon 6. Now dear student, we have to start with the third ratio. See the third one, b square minus 2a square upon b square plus 2a square. Dear student, see b square minus 2a square upon b square plus 2a square. Dear student, see here also in the second one, same as that of the second one. Here minus, here it is plus. That means for first of all we have to find out b square plus 2a square upon b square minus 2a square. If we get this, then by invertendo we can get this. Got it? Now for that purpose, for getting this, we required b square upon 2a square. Isn't it? That means, see dear student, first of all we required b square upon 2a square, and see dear student, for getting this, first of all we required b upon a. That means if we get b upon a, then we have to find out b square upon 2a square. Then we have to do the componendo dividendo, and then invertendo. We will get the value of this ratio. Now we know that a upon b is equal to 3 upon 5. Therefore a upon b is equal to 3 upon 5. Can any one of you tell me, for getting b upon a, ratio b upon a, what we have, which property we have to apply here? Yes, dear student, it is correct. It is inverted. Therefore, directly we can write by inverted. We can write here b upon a is equal to 5 upon 3. Got it? Now, dear student, we required b square upon a square. Therefore, by taking square of both sides, that means we have to do the square. Now, square of b is b square, square of a is a square, is equal to 5 square upon 3 square. Therefore, dear student, b square upon a square is equal to 25 upon 9. Dear student, it is very easy, but you have to go step by step. First of all, what we have to find out? B upon a. Then we have to find out b square upon a square. Then we have to find out b square upon 2a square. Then we have to find out b square this. Then we have to do the inverted. Like this, we have to go by step. Then it is very easy. Now, see, dear student, we require now b square upon, see, here it is b square upon a square. Now, multiply by 1 upon 2. See, dear student, 1 upon 2 into b square upon a square is equal to 1 upon 2 into 25 upon 9. Now, dear students, what we have to do? We have to multiply b square into 1, it is b square, and 2 into a square, that is 2a square, is equal to 25 upon 9. 25 1s are 25 and 9 2s are, dear student, it is 18. Now, see, dear student, we required b square plus 2a square and b square minus 2a square. Therefore, here we have to apply by componendo and dividendo. Applying componendo dividendo on both the ratios. Therefore, we get here b square plus 2a square upon b square minus 2a square is equal to 25 plus 18 upon 25 minus 18. Now, dear students, see here b square plus 2a square upon b square minus 2a square is equal to, it is 43 and it is 17. Now, see, dear student, b square plus 2a square upon b square minus 2a square is equal to 43 upon 17. Now, dear student, what we have to do? We have to do, see, dear student, sorry, here it is 7, only 7. Sorry, dear student, 25 minus 18 it is equal to 7. Now, what we have to do? We have to do by invertendo. Now, we have to apply invertendo. Therefore, b square minus 2a square upon b square plus 2a square is equal to 7 upon 43. Got it? Now, dear student, we got here the value of this ratio b square minus 2a square upon b square plus 2a square is equal to 7 upon 43. Dear student, just now I told you that it is very easy. We have to decide by which step we have to go. If you go step by step, then it is very easy. Now, see, we have to solve the fourth one, b cube minus 2a cube and b cube plus 2a cube. See the fourth one, b cube minus 2a cube upon b cube plus 2a cube. Same thing, dear students, see here b cube minus 2a cube upon b cube plus 2a cube. In this case also we have to do the, for finding this we have to do the invertendo. But what we invertendo here, b cube plus 2a cube upon b cube minus 2a cube. That means if we got this, then we can find the value of this by invertendo. For this, what On which ratio? It is b cube upon 2a cube. Same thing. Then, dear student, we required b cube upon a cube. And for getting this, we required first of all a cube upon b cube and therefore a upon b. Therefore, by step, see here. First, we know a upon b. Then make the a cube upon b cube. Then multiply by 1 upon 2. Then do the componendo, dividendo. After that, do the invertendo. Like this, we have to go step by step. Therefore, dear student, we know that a upon b is equal to 3 upon 5. Therefore, first of all, dear students, we require a upon c. A upon b is there. For that purpose, see dear student, we have to do the first of all invertendo. Then we get b upon a, because b cube minus 2a cube is there. Therefore, by invertendo. Then we got here b upon a is equal to 5 upon 3. We got here b upon a. Then next step, make the cube of this. For that purpose, taking cube of both sides. Now cube of b is b cube, cube of a is a cube, is equal to 5 cube upon 3 cube. Therefore, we got here b cube upon a cube is equal to 125 upon 27. Cube of 5 is 125 and cube of 3 is 27. Dear student, we got this. After that, we require this. That means we have to multiply by 1 upon 2. Therefore, here we have to write multiply by 1 upon 2. Therefore, we can write here 1 upon 2 into b cube upon a cube is equal to 1 upon 2 into 125 upon 27. Got it, dear student? Now, see here. This 1 into b cube, it is b cube, and 2 into a cube, it is 2a cube, is equal to 1 into 125, it is 125, and 2 into 27, it is 54. Now, dear student, we got here b cube upon 2a cube. Now, we required, or we have to apply componendo dividendo. Therefore, dear student, by componendo dividendo, b cube plus 2a cube upon b cube minus 2a cube is equal to 125 plus 54 and 125 minus 54. Dear student, see here, b cube plus 2a cube as it is, then here it is b cube minus 2a cube is equal to 125 plus 54. Dear student, it is 179, and 125 minus 54, then here we got 71. Now, dear students, see here, b cube plus 2a cube, but we require b cube minus 2a cube. Therefore, again here we have to apply by invertendo, and we got here this b cube we have to take on this side, that is b cube minus 2a cube, and this we have to write here b cube plus 2a cube is equal to 71 upon 179. In this way, dear student, we completed question number 2 from practice set 4.3. Dear student, very simple. Just we have to find out the step which we have to follow, and if you go step by step, then it is very easy to find out these values of this ratio. Write down this sum in your notebook. Now we have to start with the question number 3rd one. Dear student, see the question number 3rd one. 3a plus 7b upon 3a minus 7b. This ratio is equal to 4 upon 3. And we have to find out the value of this ratio. See dear student, in a second question we solve such type of questions. Now see here for finding out this, just now I told you that we have to go step by step. Therefore 3a square minus 7b square upon 3a square plus 7b square. For finding out this, we have to do the, see dear student, it is minus and here it is plus. It is the invertendo of what? 3a square plus 7b square upon 3a square minus 7b square. That means for getting the value of this, we have to find out first of all this. For that purpose, we required 3a square upon 7b square. And for this, we required a square upon b square. And for this, we required a upon b. That means for getting the value of this ratio, first of all, we have to find out a upon b by given ratio. See dear student, we know that 3a plus 7b upon 3a minus 7b is equal to 4 upon 3. Now dear students, see here, first we required a upon b, and for that purpose I have just now I told you that here two ratios are given. In this ratio which property is applied? Yes, it is componendo dividendo. Therefore that property we have to apply again on both the ratio. On both the ratio is important. Therefore directly we can write by componendo dividendo. And dear student, we write here 3a plus 7b plus 3a minus 7b upon 3a plus 7b. Instead of plus, we have to write minus 3a minus 7b is equal to 4 plus 3 upon 4 minus 3. Now dear students, see here, we have to do the addition of this, subtraction of this. For addition, take the similar term together, 3a plus 7b, 3a plus this 3a plus 7b minus 7b upon 3a, this plus 3a, because of this minus it get minus 3a plus 7b, and this minus 7b will become plus 7b is equal to 7 upon 1. Isn't it? Very simple. Now dear student, 3a plus 3a, it is 6a plus 7b minus 7b 0 plus 3a minus 3a, it is 0, and 7b plus 7b, it is 14b is equal to 7 upon 1. Dear student, here 6a upon 14b is equal to 7 upon 1. This 6 upon 14 we have to take on that side. Therefore a upon b is equal to 7 upon 1 into this 6 upon 14 will become 14 upon 6. Now dear student, see here, say a upon b. Now dear student, see here, for getting this, a upon b is equal to, a upon b is equal to, now dear students, see, we can simplify this. It is 2 3s and 2 7s. Got it? Now see here, 7 into 7 we got here 49, and dear student, 3 into 1 it is 3. Therefore dear student, you don't have to write like this. See here, a upon b is equal to 49 upon 3. Now dear student, see, we required a square and b square. Therefore next step is we have to make the square of both sides. Therefore taking square of both sides. Now dear student, a square upon b square is equal to 49 square upon 3 square. Therefore a square upon b square is equal to square of 49, it is 2401, and here it is square of 3 is 9. Now dear student, see, a square upon b square is 2401 upon 9. Now dear student, what we have to do? we have to multiply by 3 upon 7 because we required 3a square upon 7b square. We got a square upon b square. Now we required 3a square upon 7b square. Therefore, we have to multiply by 3 upon 7. Therefore, 3 upon 7 into a square upon b square is equal to 3 upon 7 into 2401 upon, here it is 9. Now dear student, what we have to do? Here 3a square upon 3b square is equal to. Now dear student, see here 7, 3 1s are 3 and here it is 3 3s are. Now we have to simplify this. 7 1s are and 7 3s are. Here it is 3, 7, see here 7 3s are 21, then it is 30 and here 7 4s are and 7 3s are. See dear students, 7 1s are 7, 7 3s are 21, remaining 3, then it is 30, then 7 4s are 28, 28 2 are remaining, therefore it becomes 21 and 7 3s are 21. Therefore dear student, we got here 343 upon 3. Dear student, you don't do like this. I do it only for you, for your understanding. In exam you don't have to write like this. You have to do this at a rough work, as a rough work. Now dear students, see here we got here 3a square upon 7b square is equal to 343 upon 3. Now dear student, we required componendo dividendo. Therefore by dividendo. Now dear student, 3a square plus 7b square upon 3a square minus 7b square is equal to 343 plus 3 upon 343 minus 3. Now dear student, see, I write here 3a square plus 7b square upon 3a square minus 7b square is equal to 343 plus 3, it is 346 upon 343 minus 3, it is 340. Now dear student, see here, we have to simplify this. If we simplify, that means if we divide this by 2, then it is 2 1s are, then 2 7s are 14 and 2 3s are, that is 173, and dear student, it is 170. It is 170. That means we have to simplify by, or we have to divide it by 2. Therefore we got here 173 and 170. Now dear students, see here we got 3a square plus 7b square upon 3a square minus 7b square is equal to 173 upon 70. This is not our final answer. Dear student, we required 3a square minus 7b square. Then we have to apply by invertendo. Invertendo, we got here 3a square minus 7b square upon 3a square plus 7b square is equal to 170 upon 173. Now dear student, this is our final answer. Dear student, very easy. Go by step, you will get the result. Now see dear student, in practice set 4.3, the question number 4 include 6 sub questions. All that 6 sub questions are different. They are very important. Therefore dear student, we will make separate video on that. Thank you.